ngasi sariba candle dupsing asina kanaba kaya pibada natana masidagi fanglapa cell asina ngasidi relief camp asigi awat apa kharadang oirabasu menkatpa ngamlei dup candle sabata natana atop training kaya amasu fanglingba gi apamba kaya phongdoraki manipurda lairiba mipum khudingmak
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯗꯝꯕꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯗꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯃꯦꯠ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯗꯤꯁꯤ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯀꯦ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯐꯪꯂꯕꯤ ꯏꯟꯃꯦꯠ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯗꯨꯞ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯪꯕꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯗꯨꯞ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯟꯊꯦꯝ ꯁꯨꯕꯥꯁꯀ ꯍꯛꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅ ꯎꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ.
Well, I'm Anthem Subhas Singh, Deputy Commissioner, Thoubal District. Well, since the crisis started in Manipur, in Thoubal District, we have 4 relief camps with around 1,100 inmates. Right from the beginning, we were concentrating on providing the basic amenities to the inmates in the camp, but beside giving the basic amenities, providing them all the basic amenities like food, medicine, etc., we thought that they should also be given some skill training so that they can earn their livelihood. District Administration Thoubal, in collaboration with this Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thoubal, we imparted skill development program to the inmates in the 4 relief camps in Thoubal to provide income generating activities and to ensure that the inmates in the relief camps have their own source of income. We decided that they should be provided skill development training, especially in the field of candle making, dhoop making, then this kauna making also we are also providing. This training program we started in the middle of this June 2023, but the Yening candle, which is the name of the candle being produced by the inmates from the relief camp, it was officially launched on 28th of June 2023, and I have to say that I'm also quite proud that till now, because of the blessings of the people, Yening candle, we have been able to show more than rupees 21,000 worth of candle till today, and this has helped in improving the financial condition of the inmates in the relief camps. Besides this skill development program, we are also providing all the basic amenities to the inmates in the relief camps residing in Thoubal district. Beside the food, we are also providing clothing. Then we also arrange for these Anganwadi classes for these pre-nursery students, and all the students, school-going students, are linked to all the nearby schools and they have started going to the schools. Then people with disability who are living in the relief camp, we are also providing support to them in collaboration with the district social welfare office. We have provided them aids like wheelchair, hearing aids, etc. to all these person with disability living in the camp. Raw material for this Yening candle, we tie up with KVK and we got it from the market through Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and till now around 30 inmates in the Kodampupi relief camp, they are being trained in this candle making, and they are now producing these Yening candles.
BK Thoubal amasung DC Thoubal gi maikaidagi moida karigumba khar tawhanji skin development khitang tawhanjedna khoi kendan chaba duk chaba pickle saba sigi kainoga je pangthok jabani do moje senthok khitang leihalaga di moida khitang wakhan je mind je change tawrakadra duga hayang re lekem de thadokraga jo moida tungda haihongna ba duna khogi hujur dikta thariba kendan sabagi thoramji pangthok chungna makhata na moida khoigi hujik pinning ba training mayam leiri skin development gi matangda khoigi chengum thabo yu aduga pickles ate atopa item jing paikhal training de piraga moida hena senthok leiba kaino ma oihaningba misak chinga ma oihaningba gi thoram program de khoi mathang singe na tawjari
ado si candle sabagi keno training je KBK na laga piramane ba adudagi Thoubal DC na raw material je leibiraga sabane adum haitaba thabak to hayanbagi budi nungai aduga khutchu khara haire ko aduga hayeng ko na aina saningba power kan da sudum saba yarani hadi thabak ama haiba haitare ko
duk sabagi train ke ama pibiri ba je Thoubal gi DC ga KBK haiba sika kusamnaraga pibibane duk sabaje yening har puthokjaba dupse masi miyamna lawbidana khotana tawbirabadi hena akhoida thongna oigani pangan thokani ado akhoi si pibiribaje akhoida jo haija hoba siguma trail pibibisu yam harauje aigi oinadi mayam ju khusa hayoba hayeng karigumba khoina hangraba matungda akhogi ramdamna hangraba matungda khusa tung koina khoina sinpham oina paisa tanba yabagi lambi da puthokjabaju yabagi lambi pibibaje yam harauje aigi oinadi
Thoubal district sida lanjeng naraga leiba akhoi relief camp mari lei akhoi na hojik lairi base wangjing gi Kodampupi da leiba akhoi relief camp ni Thoubal da hojik phawbada akhoi lanjeng naraga lakpa maru oina more Churachandpur adagi serau dagi akhoi mioi lising amaga chama lei district administration Thoubal na district asida hojik lanjeng naraga leiriba mioi singsigi awat apa mayam yengsillaga ngasi phawbada lakli akhoi na makhoi gi chana thangnaba polam khak pibada natana yamna maru oiba darkar oiba akhoi angang singi laik laisu tambagi hiram da bu oigera adagi ana yaurokpagi layeng bagi bu oigera akhoi honatuna lakli masigi mathakta akhoi kem asida leiriba mioi sing asigi senthok lambi hena thoknabagi damak akhoi Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thoubal ga loinana district administration na khusam naraga akhoi skill development program ama akhoi sinjai madugi saruk ama oina akhoi inmate sing sida candle saba dup saba adagi pickle saba akhoi training pizabani masigi training sigi mahi yanbo oina ngasidi akhoi jun gi tang 19 dagi market akhoi yening candle laina mingtholaga akhoi gi candle gi product si puthokpa hujabani makhata na akhoi gi district administration Thoubal na akhoi atop scheme mayam ju paikhalaka dauri hojik akhoi mushroom thabagi training loikre masiju yam thuna paikhalagani adagi kauna gi product joga loina na yamna ngai ba mana akhoi gi government school tamni bangang sing sigi district level officer mayam khaina raga angang sing sigi khungup amasung akhoi exercise book singsu athuboda akhoi school kari bangang singsida akhoi provide tawjarani haibase mai thamjage
si akhoi miyoba amada angamba mateng pangbagi hainabi ware haiduna akhoi tumina leithokpana nongmadi akhoi mipan tangba soidana takani su lomduna isani isabu thabak pijaba ngamlaba matamda tap lamdam ase nongmadi soidana sakhatba lamdam ama oirakpa pami masi sariba polamsing asina aikoida sel tanbagi hainabi ama pire irang asi loiduna yumda hallabachu makatana thabak asi adumak tokigeni haina inmet amana audum lakiba amadi relief camp asida leiriba al oiraba singi khanduna will share kaya thamoba thingaki loiduna apikpa mahiro singi school kabada season nanaba sus disi Thoubal gi miyeng makada ibada natana families singi yenguna makogi tonganba room singda lehoba tingaraki video journalist amajikaloina na paudam jariba kumar nongtambam newtv